Hello, this is Jason. I'm here to talk about the Ancheer e-bike. It's the smaller bike, the one with the small 12-inch wheels. It's a double aluminum frame. It folds down for compact. You can put it in your trunk. It has a 350 watt brushless motor, which gives it pretty good power. It has a horn. It has LED lights. Has a brake light and a front light. It does about 30 kilometers per hour speed, which is about 18 miles an hour. Has disc brakes, so it stops pretty quickly. It weighs about 26 pounds. It's got a lithium ion battery, so it lasts a while. It lasts about 12 miles. You can carry it like a suitcase. Actually has a 20 kilometer range. It sells for about $350 on eBay. Connects through Bluetooth and Android. And to make it go faster, you have to drive it for 10 miles, and then the app will let you unlock the speed restriction on it, which is pretty smart because they don't want you getting hurt, and they want you to know what you're doing before you jump on and break your neck. It feels safe to me. It looks kind of funny because it has such small tires, but it gets you where you want to go. The battery lasts a long time, and I like it. I think if you're a bike rider and you don't have an electric bike yet, you're behind the times, because they really have gotten pretty powerful, and the range is pretty good on them. You could even commute to work if you only had to go like 5 miles. So consider buying one and using them. They're very nice. You get good looks. You get smiles from people that you pass. So let's go over the specs. So it's good looking. Looks like a little clown bike, but that's okay. People get used to it. This is your switch to turn it on. This is where it tells you how full the battery is. This is your cruise control right here. Here's your horn. Here's your brake. Here's your speedometer. You plug it in right here. There's the disc brakes. And there's no pedals. And you fold it by it's hard to do with one hand, but yeah, that would fit into your trunk. And we'll see if I can get this to not be upside down.